What is the PhD student's manager's educational toolkit? In the first seminar, the PhD student manager receives an educational toolkit enabling him or her to work remotely. Print document, which provide the basis for the DBA digital resource, such as access to an educational intranet where all professors' documents are available, access online, bibliographical database, quantitative and qualitative data processing software, but also plagiarism detection software. And finally, a resource person who remotely helps PhD students manager find relevant documents at the beginning of their research. See you soon.